Tell me, what's the reason that keeps you fighting?
I want to protect my new lifestyle.
You got nothing!
Where is it?
Emergency stop. Please evacuate in an orderly fashion once the door is open.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Dude, that move's banned starting now!
You wish. You're done.
Chainsaw on my head is all I need to end this!
Moron! Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit? Grovel for his mercy, and I'll put you out of your misery.
You put the dick in predictable. And went for my head like a dipshit! Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach ya? He should know better than to trust what a hunter says! Should've gone for the legs, sucker!